Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao made sharpest comments and criticism on the so-called package announced in series by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. His comments particularly on the attitude towards states while talking a lot about cooperative federalism by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is quite convincing, is quite reasonable and most justified. I think the nation and also almost all the states joins KCR in this. As a senior chief minister and also an experienced politician, he rightly pointed out that the states are not standing with a begging bowl before the center. And every state government is duly elected, constitutionally formed government, having more burden in serving the people and directly attaining people's cause. Particularly in this testing and troubled times of Corona, the center not only took a highly undemocratic and non-cooperative attitude towards the states, rejecting even their demand, their appeal to increase the borrowing limits of the states. After repeated appeals and repeated requests by many state governments, ultimately yesterday Nirmala announced that the borrowing limit will be 5% instead of 3% of GSDP. But even that announcement is not without a pinch of salt. She went on to say that the state government so far utilized only 14% of this borrowing capacity and 86% remaining unutilized. So thereby her implication is that state government's request for this is unreasonable because they are not able to use the existing available borrowing capacity. In fact, it is not center's business to judge or to comment or to heckle how much states used, when to use, how to use. That is state government's respective states' discretion. So all this might have worked on KCR comments. Particularly is irked by the conditions apply approach of the center, that too for a borrowing, not a borrowing pittance, that too very little amount, for that ease of doing business. One nation, one ration, and electricity reforms, market reforms, so many conditionalities. So he questioned center very directly, very angrily. Are we to satisfy all these conditions before you just to get some 2,000 or 5,000 loan to be paid back from you at this testing times? He questioned the very term devaluation of funds from by center because they form constitutional part, very constitutional right of the states and their share in the taxes collected by center. After introduction of GST, states denied their part and they actually lost in 4 ways. One is they denied their right to raise resources in their respective territories. Number 2, GST in deciding GST and also that regime in GST regime, states lost their share when compared with the past. Third thing is even that reduced share is not given in time by the center and they have to wait. Even in this Corona times, yesterday Nirmala Sitharaman agreed that a lot is yet to be yet to come from center to states. And fourth one is the corona itself. So states suffering from four sides. At this critical hour, instead of helping them straight away in a democratic and humanitarian way, center refusing to help and also putting so many conditions to be fulfilled before giving or sanctioning a touch of amount. So KCR clearly said, of course, he claimed and it is a fact also that Telangana leads in DOB and several other things, one nation, one ration, etc. Yet, that is our policy and we are no way inferior or submissive, can't be submissive for this amount from the center. I think KCR is very first of a few chief ministers who championed this part, and in this he will be joined by several other states. In fact, Thomas Isaac, finance minister of Kerala, already had his comments on this, and Kerala refusing to implement some of these conditions, and KCR himself said they are not going to implement the electricity bill, and also the second one, the burdening people with further taxes and charges in urban bodies. So that way he championed the cause of state governments in India. Let me see how the center's attitude, unilateral, high-handed and undemocratic, authoritarian tendency towards state governments is going to lead once again to a kind of confrontation of atmosphere in the country. Because this problem, once in the last term, when Modi formed the first government, BJP with its friends, allies was ruling in more than 3/4 of the country. Now their state governments are hardly, big states are very less. Gujarat, UP, Madhya Pradesh. That too also Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka joined after recent toppling game. So its strength in state governments is very much reduced. That is one reason why Modi is trying to do things and project things, everything in his name. And Nirmala Sitharaman gave a package, as I said. After listening to KCR, it looks as though it is a mockage. He called it obnoxious farce. It's undemocratic also. As he rightly pointed out, India is a union of states. That is the very first article in the Constitution.